Hey y'all, so this is a continuation of a video that I took recently. Basically this is me styling my hair after using, regular wash day products. I shampooed my hair, I deep conditioned it with a mask, and now I'm going in with some mousse and defining my curls all throughout. I did this section already, and I just wanted to record this because I am going through my hair right now in record speed, you guys. It is taking me less than 30 minutes to actually finish all of this. So I just want to show you guys how quickly I can go through and do this wash and go styling with only one product. Yes, with just one product. My hair is completely clean of all other products. All it has is that one product in it and some water. So keep watching if you want to see what that is. So guys, something that I really have to pinpoint is that when you're doing a wash and go, you really want the hair that you're using, your hair at least, you want it to be pretty much freshly deep conditioned, or make sure that it's actually hydrated. You want to make sure that there's some water in there. You see right now I'm kind of just filling up the water. Your hair does not have to be completely wet for this, and all you really got to do is just make sure that your hair is completely detangled. And the product that I'm using is the Mousse Def from the Doux. I actually was so curious about this product because I saw it on Instagram, I saw it on their page, and I saw what they were doing with it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is just, it's definitely heaven sent, because every time I do a wash and go, I usually have to do 3 different products just so that my hair will actually define, it's become very defined, and stay elongated. But right now, what I'm noticing is that I really only have to use this one product and just really rake it through my hair, get it in there good, and move on to the next section and just keep moving throughout my hair just like that. I don't have to sit here and dip into 3 different products all at once. I can actually just take this mousse and apply it to my strands really nicely, really well, and let it sit and just keep working through my hair, which is probably why it's taken me so much less time this time to work through all of my hair instead of, or as compared, I should say, to the other times that I've done my hair. You guys, you really only need 2 or 3 pumps of the product, and it smells pretty clean. You're not really getting a heavy scent in this right now. What I like about this is that it really does spread through the hair very nicely. You're actually not doing a whole lot to your hair when you're using this product. It specifically says don't add any oil to your hair before applying it, so I would not recommend adding anything else to your hair but this thing. And especially on their Instagram page, they really did also emphasize that you do not need to put a leave-in before you use this product. You just use it straight out of whatever and it should work just fine. And so right now I am very pleased with my results. In the time that it started, I really was thinking, okay, I need to be out of the house in another 2 hours. I have to do my hair, I have to do makeup, I have to make sure that my outfit is on correctly and all that. And I'm like, geez, I really shouldn't have done my hair like this because it's gonna take me oh so long to get it done. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You need 2 to 3 hours just to make sure that you get ready completely if you have natural hair and you're actually doing a style to it, or if your hair is just out and you need to put it in some kind of style. And especially with wash and goes, I feel a lot of times those can be very time consuming just because of how many products you're actually using all at once. But look at it, guys, I'm only using one product, literally only one product, and I'm working it through. It's just this product and some water. And right now I am at the 40-minute mark. Usually this process takes me longer than an hour just to finish doing. It'll usually take me at least an hour and a half to 2 hours just so I can actually define my hair correctly and all of that. And I am actually loving how fast I'm going through this and how easy it is to use. Your hair does not have to be soaking wet, it just needs to be damp. generous with this product and just work it in. I like to start from the bottom part and really get it in there. I'm only adding water to this side because this is the second side, and it looks like it kind of dried out as compared to the other side where I started. And if you notice, I'm kind of going through each section and making these layers that are like top to bottom. Instead of trying to separate it like vertically, I'm going like horizontal layers. And I think that's important because you want to separate your hair, like you want the layers to separate in the same way that you want your hair to fall. You know, you want your hair to fall downward, so you're gonna separate it horizontally so that it falls downward and dries that way. And the other thing I love about this right now is that even the parts of my hair, I usually have a hard time with this top area because this part is where I have like more 4B strands than 4A. And it's usually super, super frizzy, you know, super hard to actually keep from fluffing out too much. Really tricky sometimes, you know, and it doesn't actually stay elongated. It actually shrinks up really weird a lot of the times. And right now using this product is actually preventing that from happening. And look at that, I'm on the last section. And we're only 7 minutes into this video, guys. This is literally a whole quarter of my head is about to be done. And we're only 7 minutes into this video. And this is real time. I'm not speeding this up anywhere. You know, like, of course, 7 minutes into this recording, it's probably gonna be different than the actual time of this video because I'm probably cutting. But you know what? Now that I think about it, I'm just gonna leave all the shenanigans and all the extras so you can actually see, like, this is no joke. Like, I'm really doing this in this speed, like this fast. Even with all the taking the hairs out of my fingers, you know, stopping to do that, even with that, I'm still moving through my hair like it's nothing. There's that section. And what I like to do, once I'm done, I'm gonna actually just go through one last time. Add more of this. What I like to do once I'm done, with whatever I put in my hair, just make sure that everything is smoothed into each other. So I'm putting this on my edges. And I'm brushing them. And gotta get it all the way around. Now that that's done, I just do this last final thing, which I call the dog shake. And that'll make sure that my hair separates correctly and it's fluffed out correctly. So what I'm going to expect from this product, because all I did was put this mousse in there and leave it alone, I'm expecting it to have a very soft, fluffy hold. I'm not expecting for my hair to be harsh or crunchy once this is done, because even now that I'm fluffing it around, my hair sounds like a very thin plastic bag, and that to me means fluff, 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 fluff. It's gonna be fluffed out, and especially in touching it just now, at least this side when I touched it, I can tell this is going to be a very soft, fluffy, airy, big movement kind of washing up. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I would recommend getting this. Get your hands on this. I got this from my Target. Get your hands on one of these. This is definitely one of the easiest and quickest ways to get your hair super defined with very low effort. Alright y'all, so that's it for now. I'm gonna go finish getting ready, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you want to see more videos from me on this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That's the only way you're going to see more of my content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I don't have an upload schedule just yet. So ring my bell. It's right next to the subscription button. And if you like this video, found it helpful, share it with a friend and hit that like button so that I know that you want more content just like this. Okay, this particular video, hit the like button. With this particular video, hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this one. Alright guys, bye!